Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've missed me because I've missed you too. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. So I'm going to be making use of my drafting tools like my French curve, ruler and the likes. First, we are going to have our pattern paper folded because we are cutting both the front and back panels together. So next, we are going to be taking our ruler and be drawing out our shoulder line at the top of our pattern paper. This is to serve as a basis for our pattern. Next, we'll be inserting our vertical measurements onto the pattern paper. So we'll then take our measuring tape and mark out our shoulder to elbow line. For me, it is 13, so I'm going to be marking that out. Then connect into a straight line. Next, we'll be marking out our sleeve length. Mine is 21, so I'm going to be marking that out right there. Then connect it into a straight line. Next, we'll be finding something called the cap sleeve. The cap sleeve is what allows your arm to move freely in your outfit when you wear it. There's a formula for it, which is the bust circumference divided by 12 plus 0.5 inches. My bust circumference is 36 divided by 12 plus 0.5 inches gives us 3.5 inches. So we'll mark out 3.5 inches from our shoulder line and connect it into a straight line. Next, on your cap sleeve line, you're going to mark out your armhole length. Mine is 8 inches, so I'm going to be marking that out right there. Then you connect that point on the cap sleeve line to your shoulder line in a diagonal line. Just draw that line out. We then find the midpoint of that diagonal line. The length of diagonal line is 8.75 inches. Then the midpoint is right here. We are going to mark that out. From that midpoint, we are going to come up by half of an inch. That's for the back part of our sleeve. So we are going to mark it right there. Then take your ruler and connect this point to that point on your cap sleeve line. Once you do that, you take your armhole curve and connect that midpoint to your shoulder line at that edge. So that's our back armhole right there. So because our front armhole is usually deeper than back armhole, we are simply going to take our French curve and connect that midpoint to the edge of our shoulder line right there. After doing that, we are going to take the French curve, turn it around and connect the 2 points together. Next, we are going to be inserting our horizontal sleeve measurements onto our pattern paper. On the shoulder to elbow line, I'm going to be marking out the roundness of my elbow. You can measure that on your body. Mine is 10 inches, so I'm going to be dividing that by 2. Giving us 5 inches. I'm also going to mark out the roundness of my sleeve. For me, it's 6 divided by 2. That's 3. Mark that out. After doing that, you then connect all the dots together with your ruler into a straight line. So that's it, guys. This is our basic sleeve pattern for a tight fitted sleeve. If you are trying to make a loosely fitted sleeve like an abaya, you simply take the 5 inches that you marked out on your elbow line and mark it out on your sleeve line. So you take your measuring tape and come to your sleeve line and mark out 5 inches that you previously marked out on your elbow line. Then straighten it out. Make it into a straight line. Of course, when it's time to cut, you're going to be cutting along the new lines that we drew. Next, we'll be adding 1 inch seam allowance to the side as well as the M. Note that once you've added your seam allowance on your pattern paper, you simply place directly onto your fabric and cut it out that way. Also, I'm going to add 1 inch seam allowance to the hem of my sleeve. There we have our sleeve, guys, looking all pretty and perfect. Next, we are going to be cutting out. As you can see, I turned around my pattern paper to enable me cut more easily. So I'm going to start cutting now. I'm going to cut along my back armhole first. After doing that, I'm going to open up my pattern paper and cut my front armhole. Cut it out gently, gently, gently. That's it, guys. If you found my video helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up. Also, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I drop new videos, which is weekly. See you next time. Bye.